In our last video, we studied about patents and conditions for patentability. In this video, we'll be studying about non-patentable inventions which are enshrined in Section 3 and 4 of the Patents Act 1970. Section 3 gives us the instances when a patent can be declined. Section 3A deals with frivolous inventions and inventions contrary to natural laws. In this, the leading case is Newman versus Quick. Newman applied to patent its perpetual motion machine. US Patent Office declined the request of Newman, stating that the claims of Newman are against the laws of thermodynamics. Section 3B of the states that invention contrary to public order or morality, or which causes serious prejudice to human, animal, or plant life or health or to the environment is non-patentable. The best example of this is a pollution making machine. A pollution making machine is a prejudice to environment and health of animals and plants. Thereby, it cannot be patented. Section 3C states discovery is not patentable. For example, you discover a new species of a cat or any other animal. It can never be patented because that's just a discovery. You have not invented anything. Exception to this rule is a discovery can be patented only if it has some practical application, like identifying diamond through X-ray. Section 3D states things pertaining to known substances and known processes which do not increase their efficacy are non-patentable. For example, esters, ethers, isomers, etc. are non-patentable. Section 3E inventions pertaining to mere admixtures or arrangement unless resulting in synergistic effect is non-patentable. For example, we make a sugar syrup and add color to it. It is non-patentable because that's just a mixture. It's not resulting in any synergistic effect. On the contrary, reaction between fat and sodium hydroxide is a patentable invention because that results in soap which has a synergistic effect. Section 3F. The mere arrangement or rearrangement of material is not patentable. The example for this is Standipec Private Limited and another versus Messrs. Oswald Trading Company. In this, the invention related to thickness of films used in the manufacturing of pouches. The court held this invention is non-patentable as the thickness of pouch is in relation to mere arrangement or rearrangement of existing material depending on the tolerance of the contents in the pouch. Section 3H states agriculture or horticulture can never be patented. Section 3I states a method of medical treatment of humans or animals, including medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic, therapeutic, or any other treatment, can never be patented. Section 3J states plants and animal varieties can never be patented, although microorganisms can be patented. Plants and Animal Varieties are Plant Varieties Protection and Farmers' Rights Act 2001. Section 3K states mathematical method, computer program per se, or algorithms are non-patentable. Computer programs can be patented only when combination of hardware and software provides a technical advancement. Furthermore, the mathematical or business method, computer program per se, or algorithms can still be granted protection under copyright law. Section 3L states literary, dramatic, musical, or artistic work cannot be patented because these are again the subject matter of copyright law. Section 3M, a mere scheme or rule or method of performing a mental act cannot be patented. Section 3N, presentation of information cannot be protected, but they are Subject matter of Copyrights and Trademarks Act. Section 3O, topography of integrated circuits cannot be patented. They are governed by the Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Act 2000. Last one is traditional knowledge. When we studied about the conditions for patentability, the first condition was novelty, that the invention should be new. It shouldn't have any prior disclosure. When we talk about traditional knowledge, the invention has already been disclosed and it has been traditionally used for many years. So, any invention which is based on traditional knowledge cannot be patented. Section 4 of the Patents Act is no patent shall be granted in respect of an invention relating to atomic energy falling within subsection 1 of section 20 of the Atomic Energy Act 1962. By prohibiting the patentability of invention relating to atomic energy, the Government of India has tried to discourage people to carry out any developments related to atomic energy in the interest of public. In our next video, we'll be looking at novelty in greater detail. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.